How's it going, everyone? It's CodyBPyrotechnics, and this is the moment you've all been waiting for. The $230 firework assortment called Fire Thunder by Dominator Fireworks. So before we get into this massive firework assortment that features 6 350-gram cakes, 3 artillery shell kits, and 2 single-shot tubes. I think those are 2 inches in diameter as well. So some big shells in there. But before we unbox this thing and shoot it all off, I want to talk to you guys about the merch. So right now I'm wearing one of my favorite wraparound graphics. Check it out. We've got pictures of matches on here, double break shells, M80s, propane torches, HDPE tubes, and if you guys are ever interested in checking out my merch, you can do so using the link in the description. It's in every video. So now I'm going to take this assortment over to the tailgate where we're going to unbox the whole thing, get it all set up, and shoot everything off. All right, we got the return of the famous box cutter here, and I'm just going to cut this bad boy open. Got a bunch of plastic. By the way, this was too big for the tailgate, so we're doing it on the ground. But let's go ahead and start with these 350-gram cakes. I think these are a little bigger than 200 gram, even though they might say that on the side. No, they don't say anything. But this one here is called Liberty. Dominator Fireworks, 12 shots. Got a lot of weight to it. Then we have one here that's similar in the way it's set up. This says Showcase Effect on the side. And this is Sky Diamond, also by Dominator Fireworks. And that looks like another 12-shot cake. And moving on to these 2 single-shot tubes, you can see they say number 200 tube Gold Willow. So these are going to be awesome. The diameter on those shells has got to be either 175 or 2 inch. I'm going to say that's probably a 175 shell in there. So these should be pretty nice. Hopefully they are real single-shot ball shells and have a perfectly symmetrical break. And pulling out our first shell kit here, you get 6 shells in this kit. This is called Premium Artillery Shell. And you can see some photos there on the side. They definitely don't do anything pictured. They might actually do something like that and like this and like that. But these 2 here, highly doubt it. QR code if you want to watch it in the store, but that doesn't matter because we're going to be shooting all these off anyway. And moving on, we've got 4 350-gram cakes right here. Again, if these are labeled as 200 grams, I don't buy it. These things have a lot of weight to them. So this is Loud Cloud, a 16-shot firework by Dominator. Great for finales is what it says. So maybe we'll shoot this one last, who knows. And then next up is Emerald Meteor, and that is a 12-shot cake. And turning it over on the side, you can see the performance listed right down there at the bottom. I really like assortment packs like this, even though you spend a little more, but you do get all these awesome 200 and 350-gram cakes, all these shell kits and single-shot tubes. This is something you're only going to find exclusively once you get past that $200 budget. Like I said, this one here was $230. So next one up is called Ruby Sky. It looks like that. It's another 12-shot cake. Check it out. These tubes are pretty long too, so hopefully big shells in these. Then we've got our last cake here, Piranha Panic. I've actually shot this off before. It's a 16-shotter. Big bore cake. This is actually the biggest one in the assortment because I can't really see underneath this one. But then moving on to our 2 12 assorted shell kits. This one here is called Dominator Pro Artillery. You get 12 pieces, and I believe these are ball shells, but let's just go ahead and cut into them so we can confirm that. I don't think they would put canister shells in here, but I've been wrong before. So let's get it open and we'll take a look. Looks like we got 12 1.75-inch ball shells. And last but not least, we have the July 4th Cannonade Artillery. I don't know if that's how you say that. So we had to Google search what that means out here on site, and apparently it means a period of continuous heavy gunfire. So that's a pretty cool name if I've ever heard one. 1.75-inch ball shells in there again, another cardboard tube. And that is what comes inside the Fire Thunder assortment by Dominator Fireworks. Now we're gonna go set everything up and shoot it off. All right, guys, I have not been this excited to shoot off a firework assortment in a long time. So let's go ahead and start over here with the Gold Willow number 200 tubes. Super stoked about these. See how big of a willow we get. Oh, that's a big shell. Wow, look at that. Not gonna lie, that's the best willow shell I've seen in a while. Let's do another one. Oh my goodness. Perfectly symmetrical break, still hanging there. So hands down, those are the best single shots I've seen in a while. Now let's start with the 350-gram cakes. This is Liberty by Dominator Fireworks. That's what I'm talking about. So right off the bat, this assortment is getting a 10 out of 10 from me. Here goes the next cake, Sky Diamond. Look at those brakes. Next one up is our first box cake of the night. This is Emerald Meteor. Oh, check it out. Here goes Loud Cloud, 16 shots. It says right on the thing, great for finales. Oh, it's loud. Oh, there's your finale shot right there. This next one is called Ruby Sky. Last but definitely not least, this is Piranha Panic, 16 shots. It was the heaviest one in the whole assortment. That would be why. It's breaking harder than the rest. Wow. Now that's a firework assortment. Let's go ahead and see the artillery shells. Premium artillery shells by Dominator Fireworks. Here we go. Let's see all 12 of the Dominator Pro artillery shells. Here we go. Wow. Nice, 2 at once. Look at that. Wow. Still hanging there. And here goes all 12 of the July 4th Cannonade Artillery by Dominator Fireworks. That was like a clustering comet. That was cool. Ooh. Fast paced. We might have got some fuse jumping. Wow. Nice white strobe. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the Fire Thunder assortment by Dominator Fireworks. It is a bit spendy, 230 bucks, but you totally get what you pay for here. All of these 200 gram cakes had brakes in them, and the artillery shells were awesome too. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you tomorrow.